In today's video, I will walk you through how to install a robot on MT5. To get started, make sure MetaTrader 5 is already open on your computer. Also, make sure the robot file is saved somewhere you can access easily, such as your desktop or another folder that's easy to find. With MetaTrader 5 open, go to the File menu at the top of the platform and click Open Data folder. This will open the data directory for your MetaTrader 5 installation. Inside the data folder, look for a folder named MQL5 and open it. Once you're inside the MQL5 folder, locate the Experts folder and open it as well. This is the folder where your robot needs to be placed. After opening the Experts folder, minimize MetaTrader 5 so you can access the location where your robot file is saved. Find the robot file on your computer. Instead of moving the original file, copy it into the Experts folder. This allows you to keep the original file while placing a copy where MetaTrader 5 can use it. Once the file has been copied into the Experts folder, close the folder window and return to MetaTrader 5. The next step is to load the robot into the platform. In the Navigator panel, locate the Expert Advisors section. Right-click Expert Advisors and choose Refresh. This refreshes the list and allows MetaTrader 5 to detect the robot you just copied. After refreshing, look under the Expert Advisors section. You should now see your robot listed there. Before adding the robot to a chart, check the requirements provided for that specific robot. Some robots are designed to run only on a particular trading symbol or a specific chart timeframe. Make sure you've opened the correct chart and selected the required timeframe before continuing. Once the correct chart is ready, click and drag the robot from the Expert Advisors list onto the chart. A settings window will appear. In that window, make sure the options to allow modifications and allow algo trading are enabled. After confirming those settings, click OK. Once the robot has been added successfully, you'll see that it is active on the chart. Now check that automated trading is enabled in MetaTrader 5. This allows the robot to operate as intended. If automated trading is disabled, the robot will not be able to run even though it has been attached to the chart. If the robot still isn't working, go to the account where the robot is running and verify that algo trading or automated trading is turned on for that account. After confirming those settings, your robot should now be installed and active on MetaTrader 5. That's the complete process for installing a robot and preparing it to run on your chart. Thank you for watching.